in one family since 1953. The extra lot included. They bought the house that was next door, split that lot with the neighbor. All this land is your property. 3 blocks from the Houlton Elementary, Southside schools. Two porches, an outside entrance to the basement. Here's one open porch. Here's your other one. Let's check out the inside of 8 South Street. Lots of windows in the corner of the everyday dining area. Wrap-around birch cabinets too. The appliances stay. Plenty of room in the country-size kitchen for dining, but you do have a formal dining room with raised paneled ceiling, tasteful wainscoting, laminate floor. This is a good-sized room. This house has over 10 rooms. French doors before you go up the stairway into the front music room with a hard pine floor. This could be a first floor bedroom for someone that just does not have climbing stairs in their diet. This is the front entry where the trick-or-treaters hit. There's a coat room for your entertainment guests. More raised panel ceilings. Again, this was in one family since 1953. See all the built-ins? Bookcases, there's boot boxes. There's all kinds of little nooks and crannies. They did not waste any space. Off the kitchen, we have a coat room. We have a pantry closet. We have a full bath. See the built-ins? It's neat, clean, maintained. There is a window in this bathroom too for ventilation. That's the first floor. Ready to go to the second level? Come on, we've got to climb a few stairs. Shh, you may be interrupting nap time. Double closet, single closet. These are large rooms with lots of closets. That's bedroom 1 on the second level if you don't use that music room as a first floor bedroom. Bedroom 2 upstairs. There's a closet. This home has a quick occupancy too. Bedroom 3 on the second level. There's a closet and under eave storage space. Bedroom number 4 is off the half bath. This one's Mary Kay pink. Lots of sunshine. Here's your closet. The handy half bath off this bedroom. In the walkout basement, this rec room could be a home office, a place to telecommute to work virtually. 28 feet wide. I can see a daycare center with that big lot in this proximity to schools. I can see a hairdressing shop down here. Work from home. That outside entrance is not a little window to crawl out. It's a regular door if you're concerned about fire or safety. The ceilings don't feel like a basement. Here's your laundry room. There's the closet. There's room for a dresser. Your washer and dryer are right where you can get to them easily. If you have a freezer, this is probably where you're going to park it. This is almost like an attic in your basement for storage. Put your winter coats, the snow sled suit, Christmas decorations down in this utility area. Circuit breakers and one giant area for hobbies. If you like to quilt, you want to play ping pong, This is the area for whatever you still lack for space to do it in. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. There is a lot to like about this home that's been in one family since 1953. The roof, newly shingled with architectural types. You've got a paved driveway. There is a garage, it's a car and a half. You have a gas heater in your living room if you want to take the chills off in the spring or the fall. There's a lot to like about the big oversized lot, the location near the schools. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Let me know questions you have. Let's take a peek at it up close and personal, and I'll help you with financing if that's a stumbler or you're just confused. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe if you're not already a member, and don't forget to like this video. Make comments down below because your comments help everybody out there watching the same video.